Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's link in the description. She is a very good intuitive reader, so you can contact her, guys. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Taurus. So for your relationship, guys, we'll be picking this card from another deck. So I will leave it here. We will see what it is as we proceed. And for your career, one more card. So let's start with these cards. We have Four of Wands in reverse, Fool in reverse, and Justice in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who wants to do things immediately. Maybe you just want to, if you make a choice, you just want to go for it right now. And that may not work today, guys, because if you do that, if you go for impulsive actions in your work or even in this relationship, it is going to land you in some difficulty, and your carelessness, whatever carelessness is there on your part, should be avoided today if you want success and if you want things to go in the right way. And maybe today, because of your dedication or devotion, you try to do things perfectly in you have certain rules for yourself and you follow that strictly. And maybe people around you, maybe they may see you as someone very rigid, stubborn, holding on to their ideas, holding on to their vision, and it is really difficult to adjust with you. So people may find you as a stubborn and a rigid person today. That may be the case even in this relationship. Maybe your plans or ideas may be different from your person's. And maybe you are doing this or you are being in such a way because you love this person and you want things to go in the right way and you want marriage or commitment with this person. But this person is not understanding you. They may feel that you are quite stubborn or you are sticking to certain rules for yourself. So they are, their vision may be different from yours today, Taurus. So for your relationship, we have one card. We will see what it is. So we have clean it up. So in your circumstances, in this connection, you must think for yourself what needs to be cleaned, what needs to be pushed away. Maybe all that energy that has been piling up. Each and every one of us are different. So we may be hurt in some instances, but if we keep thinking about the past, if we keep worrying about what happened before and holding on to it, it's just going to create a lot of baggage in our mind. So if we want our relationship to flourish, we must let go of all that negative feelings whatever is creating that clutter in this connection. So when you let go of all that, you are going to change for the better. This relationship is going to change for the better. So for your career, let's see what is the card. Exchanging gifts. So all that hard work you have done, Taurus, it's definitely paying off today. And this may be the time you are seeing great signs in your life. Maybe you have worked hard, you have done everything you have done in the right way, and you need to do it. You need to keep doing what you're doing today, and all that hard work is going to come back to you tenfold. So this is the time you are going to reap the rewards for all your hard work and commitment, honest commitment. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love Reading, Taurus, that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, Sunstone. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today you need to free yourself of all that old patterns, maybe the past hurt, whatever was holding you back, whatever was limiting your potential. And you need to understand that you can do anything you set your mind on. So you need to feel really positive and you need to break away from all those obstacles that is holding you back, that is making you stuck. So if you are feeling little toxic in this present relationship and you feel that this relationship is not working, you are free to move away from it, start a new one, or transform this relationship into something which you love, something which you want it to be. You can never control another person or you can never control a set of circumstances, but you always have a freedom of choice. So this freedom includes stopping the way you are going about your life and connecting with the higher spirit or universe, asking for guidance and help. So that way you'll be making a good choice, a best choice. And there are no limits for your skills and talents, guys. So there is no limit, same way there is no limit for love. So if you want a better circumstance for yourself, you need to free yourself today and you need to understand that a much better circumstance is waiting for you and you need to give up all that past hurt or past negativity, whatever is holding you back. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have the Goose Girl. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances, It may be your energy or someone close to you, it may be their energy. Maybe someone has wronged this person very badly and they are creating a lot of troubles for this person because of envy or jealousy. But you need to understand that a true loving heart will always triumph, and truth will always triumph, and justice will be done no matter what your circumstances are. And people love you for what you are and not for your status or not for the possessions you have, but for that true loving nature of yours. And if someone is really jealous and envious and is wronging, doing wrong things to you, wrong to things to someone who is a truly innocent soul, truly kind soul, that jealousy and envy will go back to them and it will not affect this person, guys. You need to understand that. And truth will be revealed. And there is no one who can copy you today, because each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and no one will be able to copy us or step into our shoes. So we have our place in this world, just like each and every one of us as our own place, and there is no one who can take that place. You can be rest assured of that, guys. So that is the energy here with this card. And maybe today, whatever problems you are facing, very soon it is all going to change. It is all going to resolve, guys. So this may be your energy, or it may be someone really close to you. It may be their energy here, guys. So they have been really wronged by people who are simply jealous or envious about them. But everything will be back to what it was, to that good state like before, very soon, guys. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.